G's family vlog.
Right guys, time is 7:15 AM and we're in Asda trying to buy slime stuff.
And now we need food colouring.
Food colouring, okay. What colour are we going to get?
Pink.
Pink, of course.
We need some of this. But I think we got everything we need.
Yeah, we got pink and blue.
Pink and blue.
Just in case. We got enough for more slimes. So we're going to have a blue one if we do.
Okay.
But no more, just pink.
Okay.
Do we want a bag?
No, thank you. Okay, let's get out of here. We are literally the only people in the store apart from the staff. Oh, it's a horrible day. Guys, it's absolutely awful out there. What a difference from yesterday. We had a lovely day yesterday. And today is pouring with rain, absolutely pouring with rain and blowing a gale. It's horrible. Guys, Princess Mia are editing at the moment. This is the first edit she's ever done, isn't it? So she's going to try and start editing her own vlogs. Dad is finding it hard to make time to edit her vlogs, aren't we? So I said, you need to learn how to do it yourself. So this is what we're doing now. I'm just showing her the basics.
I need to delete those ones because
Right.
they're just like
Okay.
out. So, Hi guys, we are making slime. And first thing you need is Shopkins. Little minions to help you out. No, we don't need them, but you can have little minions to help you out. So we're making it with whatever this is, Revia lens. You can have any of these if it has boric in it, and that's what we've got in there, so you need that. So if you're making fluffy slime, then you need shaving cream or gel. Well, we don't know if gel works, so we're trying shaving gel because we don't have any shaving cream. So we're gonna make glitter slime, and the one that we're making for the pink one is gold. So that's what we're doing. So, and you need a stirrer thing. Oh, and glue and baking soda and a bowl. First, I need to move my chair in. So,
You're too high up there, mate.
so first we need to. What do we need to do?
Add the glue.
Add the glue.
Put all that in.
All of it.
Yeah. You have to unscrew the lid.
Oh come on, we'll just pour it all in there. Come on. When will this stop? There's still more. 2 hours later. Oh, can you move my phone out of the way, please?
Sure.
Thanks. So next we need, what do we need? This.
Can't remember.
So next we need a pinch of baking soda. That's twice I've done it now and it's went everywhere. So a pinch. I need to pour it out because it's all the way down the bottom. Little pinch. Then put the lid on. And then we need to mix it so there's no lumps.
Make sure there's no lumps.
Yeah. This is our making bowl, by the way, guys. It isn't making cakes bowl, don't worry. Because last time we made snow, Right, let's try that again. Take 3. made snow, we made it in this bowl.
Pour your snow into the bucket and then add water.
Do you think that's okay?
I think so. Do you add your colour now?
I don't know. Better shaving gel or foam next. So, how much? A little bit in it. Like literally a tiny little squirt. So, Dad, can you squirt this? You're a man. I don't know how to do it. Girls don't shave. I had to, didn't I? Right. I think the thing's going to turn blue. This is making it a lot easier to mix. I hope this thing doesn't turn blue now, otherwise we'd have to do a blue one, wouldn't we? Yeah, it is going blue a little.
Okay, so what's next?
I would say it's the colouring next anyway. The colour and the glitter probably.
Colour and glitter next, yeah.
Right, so next is the colour and the glitter. And then I want to use the shaker lid. What? Oh. Yay, glitter! It's okay if we stir it in a lot, ain't it?
Yeah.
Now we need the colour.
Not too much of that, mind.
Yeah, a drop.
Just a couple of drops.
2 drops. 3 drops. 3 drops. Okay. Why did I smell that? Okay, that's okay. It'll be a big pink. A lot pink and a lot glitter. And now we need to stir. And now we need to stir. Oh, this is going to be a good pink. Oh, this is going to be nice pink. There's lumps in it, so we need to mix it good. Should we add some more glitter in? Because look. Oh wait, pour it while I'm stirring.
Oh, that's nice colour, isn't it?
Yeah. We still haven't added this in yet.
No, that's what makes it turn to gel.
Oh, smell that. That smells actually quite pretty nice.
Smells nice.
I want to make slime all the time now. Next, we need to add this bad boy. Oh girl. Oh gosh, this is going to be confusing. Also used for making slime. It should say on there.
Can you do that? Do you want me to help you?
I can do it. That was the lid. So this is what it looks like. It doesn't really feel like slime. Like that. Yeah, now it's like slime. It's like slime in the bowl. Oh, now it's tough. Now it's tough. But I can do this. Oh yeah, it's like slime now. Bless you.
Right, okay. You're turning into an alien. You're melting. This does not work, mate. I think this is because we use shaving gel instead of shaving foam, maybe.
I don't like it.
Not going to plan. I don't think this is supposed to be like this. Right, I'm not 100% sure, but I don't think it should have ended up being like this. What do you think, Kai?
No, I think it looks a bit too sticky.
It is definitely too sticky. But yeah, it's good fun though. Guys, we're having a lot of fun with this. Princess has given up on it. And she just left me in a mess. Okay. All I can suggest is keep kneading it.
3 hours later.
Okay, so I don't know what we've done wrong, but it's definitely slime. But a bit too slimy, if you know what I mean. Very, very sticky, but it's getting less sticky the more I play with it. Yeah. Oh, why do I do these things? It looks the part. It's got a lovely pink with a nice golden glitter in it. But look, it's like snot.
Dad.
It's like pink snot.
You're getting it all over me.
Wait, look. Yeah, I'd be faster swimming if my hands are like that. Like I got webbed hands.
Dad, get it.
Well, I think we can agree that didn't go entirely to plan. We're going to go and have a go on Sims now. Kai's gone out with his mates, so we got use of his PlayStation 4. Is this good? Guys, we're back at Asda's and she's still got her onesie on. Come on, mate. That's good. You have a look. That's not good. Guys, we're just watching Princess's vlog that she filmed and edited all by herself. Very proud of you, babes. You've done a great job. Guys, check it out. I'll leave a link in the description down below. Don't forget to leave a like and subscribe. Just chilling out now and look at Princess's chocolate orange. I just cracked it open for her. There you go, babes. What do you think of that? Teddy's chocolate orange. Well guys, that's all we got time for today, I'm afraid. Do not get lost or squashed, and we will speak more soon.
Family vlog.